Good morning, everyone. Have you been looking for an easy and affordable way of becoming a property owner? Have you been looking for a way to own your own property here in Magboro, Rose Garden? I won't be searching and you'll be looking for how to own your own property. I have good news for you. This is the opportunity. Here behind me are lovely, beautiful, spacious 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with an initial deposit of 2 million naira. Spread your payment for 18 months. You can own this beautiful duplex, very affordable. It is time for you to become your own property owner with ease, without stress. Give me a call right now. Let me help you to put your funds into good use by becoming a property owner with just 2 million naira initial deposit. Spread your payment for 18 months. You can become your own property owner. 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. Give me a call right now and let me help you become a property owner. Wherever you are, home or abroad, give me a call right now. Beautiful, spacious 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex, Rose Garden, Magboro. Affordable location, good landmarks, good road network. Give me a call. I'll be expecting you. Thank you.